Today I'm going to go over how to install Hyundai's most recent update for the 21 to 22 Veloster N. This update was released at the end of 2023 and has some nice features in it. But the main feature I want to draw your attention to is the N performance pages. Hyundai updated the Veloster N's pages to look the same as the Elantra and Kona N's screens. This is nice since you get percentages for the gauges instead of just a bar with a minimum and maximum value. First, go to Hyundai.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the first page and under the Owners column, find and click on Blue Link Media Maps. This will take you to a new tab. At the top of the new tab, there will be large boxes. Click on the box that says Navigation Updater Download. This will ask you to download Hyundai's software updater application onto your computer. The software is available for free and for both Windows and Mac computers. After the software has been put onto your computer, you will have an icon on your home screen. Click on the icon to open the software. On the top right, there will be a box where you will select your model. A box then will pop up to the right where you will select the year of your vehicle. After you've selected your car, click OK at the bottom of the screen. The next screen will show you the requirements your computer's hard drive must meet. This is because a temporary file is placed onto your computer first before the file is transferred to a thumb drive. If you have the required space, click Next. This screen shows you where the temporary file will be placed. Click OK. After you click OK, the download will begin. I have AT&T's 1 gig fiber internet, and this download took less than 15 minutes. After the download has finished, install a thumb drive into your computer. I chose to go with a name brand thumb drive that had more than the minimum amount of space required. I wanted to make sure I had more space than required so I wouldn't run into any possible issues. Plus, for the money, it was hard to beat a 128 gigabyte thumb drive for less than $15. After you insert the thumb drive, you will have a screen in front of you that has you click on Copy to USB. You will verify you have enough space on your thumb drive and click Next. You'll notice that the file size is 40 gigs, but the required disk space is 68 gigabytes. This is why I chose to go with a 128 gigabyte thumb drive. A 64 gigabyte thumb drive would not have worked. Click Next, then click Yes, and click Yes one more time to begin the transfer. You are confirming the size of the disk and that you understand the disk will be formatted before the transfer process begins. This process took less than 20 minutes to complete. After the transfer has finished, you can close the program and go out to your car. Once you're in your car, plug the USB thumb drive into your media USB. After I plugged the USB drive in, the car automatically recognized that the thumb drive had the updated files on it and brought up the screen to perform the update. You can choose when the update will start. I chose to begin the update now. I would suggest keeping the car running for the initial part of the process. The screen states that the process may take up to 25 minutes. I found it took less than 20 minutes to complete. The update is broken up into 4 parts. After all 4 parts have completed, a screen will pop up and state that the update will continue with the car off. This second half of the initial process will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You can go ahead and turn the car off while the update continues. Do not turn off the car until you see this message. I didn't record this screen on the Veloster, but I did on my Elantra when I updated its infotainment screen. When you go back to the car after about 30 minutes and restart your car, the process should be done. The system will restart and take you through setting up your user profiles. After you've got your users set up again, you can go through all the new updates. The 2 biggest changes that you'll notice will be with the radio screen layout and the N performance pages. I found the other screens looked and functioned the same as before the update. The N performance pages are wonderful. Now my wife can see exactly what PSI or temperature the car is, whereas before she would have to guess based on the position of the bar in the gauge. Definitely a better setup. The radio screen is nice and more in line with what you would expect a radio screen to look like over the retro look it had before. Here's a look at what's new with the update. I will go over the updates briefly. Feel free to pause the video to read the full notes. First, navigation now automatically shows an alternative route whenever you encounter traffic. Navigation is constantly trying to show you the fastest possible route. Second, the car will now close all the windows automatically whenever you enter a tunnel. Third, for US only, you can now pay for parking through the navigation system. Fourth, new sounds of nature have been added. Fifth, the radio screen has now been updated and now allows you to enter radio frequencies directly using a keypad. And finally, the N performance screen has been updated. I really like the new N screens. That part of the update has been a welcome upgrade over the previous pages. Please let me know what you think of the update in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content.